who wants to be tortured with an OCR AS level exam question? I say tortured because OCR and MEI are known to be the worst examiners when it comes to, well, exams, obviously. But here's the question. We've got x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 4y plus 12 equals 0. It is a circle. Two tangences to the circle, which pass to the point 0, 1, and we want to find the angle between these two tangents. So normally, my first port of call would be draw a diagram, and I would yell at you about it. But there's nothing to draw yet, because this isn't a circle. Well, it's obviously a circle, but it's not a circle that we can draw. So let's get in the form x minus a squared plus b minus y. X minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared. So to do that, we'll complete the square. So we've got the x squared and the 6x, which becomes x minus 3 squared. We've got the y and the 4, which becomes y minus 2 squared. From here we have minus 9. From here we have minus 4, and then we have the plus 12, which becomes x minus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared minus 13 plus 12 is minus 1 equals 1, radius of 1. Okay, so let's give this a little sketch. So I've drawn it like this because we know that the center is 3, 2. So let's roughly say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just do 4 here as well. So 3, 2. Radius of 1. Okay. Let's try that one more time. So it doesn't look like a Oompa Loompa or a penguin. 3, 2. Okay. The reason why I'm being so particular with this is because now we know that this center is 3, 2. What is this point here? Well, it's just directly 1 down, right? Because the radius is 1. And the reason why I started thinking about this and why I want to draw particulars, because when is A levels ever nice to give you a radius of 1? There must be a reason behind it. So let's just go with that. So we know that this point is 3, 1. And we're also told this point here, which is 1, 0. And if there's two tangents to this, well, not if, because there are two tangents to this, we know one of the tangents is going to be right there, which is a horizontal line, y equals 1. And the second tangent will be something like that, okay? So now let's just scale this diagram. So actually, let's not. Let's just think about it. We want to find the angle between these two tangents, which is this angle here. Call it x. So we know that this line here is a radius, right angle. We know that this line here is a radius, right angle. We currently have this like kite looking shape, if you can tilt your head and look at it this way. And because these are both tangents, the distance between, say, let's call this A, B, and C. The distance between A and B is equal to A to C. Remember circle theorems. So we've got similar triangles essentially, if we split it down the middle. Shared line, angles the same, angles the same. Same line, same line, same line, same line, okay? So it's basically side, side, side. And now I will scale that up because I'm going to draw the triangle. We'll call this O because it's the center. So we'll draw the triangle AOC. AOC. Another question is kind of easy because if these are similar triangles, this angle is this angle, this angle is this angle, meaning these two angles are the same. So if the entire thing is x, then this angle here is a half x. The distance of A to C, well, this starts at 0, this goes to 3. The height of this triangle, it starts at 1, goes to 2. And we've got this here. Do we need it? Not really, because it is a right angle triangle, and it's literally just going to be a matter of saying, we'll ignore the half x, we'll call it theta. Opposite over adjacent, tan theta equals a third, and then theta is equal to inverse a third. Right, so yeah, we know, just put this on a calculator and it gives you 18.4869. sorry, 8, 4, 3, 4, 9. Going blind. And if that's half x, well then x is equal to 2 times that, which gives you 36.9 to 3SF. So it was a very interesting question because it was a real mix of like circle theorems. It gave you the opportunity to overcomplicate it, but essentially it was just a right angle triangle, find that angle, and double it. Hence why OCR, MEI are absolute